As most video creators know, creating videos could be time-consuming and frustrating. Now, with an AI video generator, you can convert text to video in just minutes. Here, we will try a free AI video generator, Monimaster Video. Before generating your ideal video with the AI video generator, the first step is to create a text prompt based on your needs. Not sure how to write a well-structured text prompt? Monimaster AI Video has you covered. Make the advanced settings and click Create to get the video. No camera, no editing skills. Just type, click, and generate. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and demonstration purposes only, and we do not encourage the use of AI technology for malicious purposes. Stop wasting time on video editing. Start creating videos smarter with Monimaster Video.